Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in the last two videos we have learned how we can insert and read record from Firestore. Here I will explain you how we can delete the record from the Firestore. For that, just we make a event handling for button binding .btn delete set on click listener, then on click listener, and here I will make a coding for that. So I say if binding dot txt roll, because on the base of roll number I will do this, is not empty. If we have insert the roll number, then it will check, else we will display that please insert the roll number to delete. We say then insert roll number to delete. Okay, but if the roll number has been inserted, then we will fetch a query to find the information in db.collection, and collection is students like this, then dot where equal to, here I say, and I say where roll number roll number is binding dot text roll, binding dot r means txt roll, that text, that to string, that to int, like this. If the value is equal to roll number, then we have to get the information. This information will goes to the query. So we are making a query. If the student collection have this roll number which we are adding here, then give the information to query. Then under the query we will fetch add on success listener like this, and it will give me the information about the query snapshot, and here I will pass the query like this, document in it like this, and I will traverse all the record, and I say that db.collection of students dot document, and here I say document id dot delete. Remember, we are deleting a record on the basis of roll number, so one by one we are fetching. We have a one roll number, but one by one we will fetch the record from this. Maybe other roll number is also available, then we will fetch the record from this, and one document we will have under the student, that id we will fetch, and that id, on the basis of id we can delete the record. You see that this is the id, on the basis of these id we can delete the record. So we cannot remember these id, we have to fetch these id. So I am fetching this id here one by one from all the record of this query, and then deleting, and then I am checking that on the success of this, if deleted, then I will display the message or the toast that record deleted. So I will fetch here that student deleted, student information deleted, like this. So we did here. Now we try to execute it. So you see that we have some record here. We have one roll number, we have two roll number, three roll number, we have two roll number. So on the basis of roll number we are going to delete. So I say roll number 1. I enter 1 and I just click on the button, say delete, and we wait for message that information deleted, and you see that roll number 1 will be deleted, roll number 2 and roll number 3 is remaining here. If again I want to delete, just I change it to roll number 2 and I click on delete. You see student information deleted. We have this 3, and if I want to display this, just click on read and it will display the one information, one record, that 3 ID is available for Ravi. So like this we can delete the information from Firestore. It's very simple. Now we will learn in last video, that would be next video, that how we can update the record in Firestore. So thank you for watching this video.